Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Eston here, and this is a Petrof European grand piano Model 4. The Model 4 at 5'8" inches is a spectacular scale design with such a beauty of tone. Wait till you hear this instrument. I'm going to tell you more about it, but I want you to hear music before I even talk about it. I'm going to play a little bit of Beethoven, the beginning of his C minor sonata, Opus 10, number 1. Listen to this piano. I want your opinion on this piano in the comments below here on livingpianos.com and YouTube. Petrof has its roots in the 19th century, still owned by the original Petrof family. This is so rare today. Most of the big German and other European piano companies have been bought out by huge Asian conglomerates. But here we have one that is still manufactured in the Czech Republic and controlled by the original family that started centuries ago. And this instrument was lovingly cared for in a beautiful home, barely played. It's like playing a brand new piano. It's also gorgeous to look at. The woodwork, the finish is immaculate. Just an amazing piano. Really comfortable bench, by the way. Nice duet style, adjustable padded bench. Such a nice touch. Casters, by the way, you can roll this. Big thick casters that are easy to move the piano around. But let's have some more music. It's the sound of this piano that's so captivating. A slow movement, a little bit of the second movement of Mozart's Sonata in C major, K330. Each piano company has a distinctive sound, yet there's a certain type of sound that is more prevalent in European pianos like Petrof and Bechstein and Sfazioli and Bösendorfer. That clarity and focus that is just so pure a tone, isn't it? From top to bottom, the singing quality. So I'm going to play something that opens up a bit more here, closing with just an excerpt of the Chopin G minor Ballade for you. Hope you enjoy this. It's great to have a piano like this. From 1999, if somebody told me that this was a brand new piano, I would probably believe them because there's no signs of wear. Our technicians spent a good deal of time refining because I don't know how many of you know this, but even brand new pianos don't come new out of the box anywhere close to their potential. And there's so few technicians who can take pianos to this kind of level. And I work closely with our technicians to bring this beauty of tone. I'm interested, once again, in your opinion of this piano. Email here, leave comments below, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you like these videos, go ahead and ring the bell, and we'll see you next time here on livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.